How to remove double tick on WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove double tick on WhatsApp messages. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Select the three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Settings option. Scroll down. Now tap Chats. Scroll down and you need to search for the option in order to remove double tick. We don't see any option here, so you have to exit from WhatsApp and open settings on your device. Scroll down, locate apps and tap on it. Now select app management and search for WhatsApp application. You can manually scroll down or you can tap search bar and search for WhatsApp. Open it. From the app info, select data uses and make sure to turn off mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you can simply toggle the button on for disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. In this way, you can easily remove double tick on WhatsApp messages. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.